BCBAs, this is what an organized supervision session with a trainee actually looks like, part 6. This is what a real 1-hour supervision session with a trainee looks like. Use your 5-minute prep from before and plug it into this structure. Minute 0 to 5, set the frame as a BCBA-in-Training. Orient, connect, and make the BCBA-level goal explicit. Greet and check in briefly. For example, hey, before we jump in, how are you doing? Then state the purpose of the supervision. For example, today we're working on how you use data to make treatment decisions. And finish showing them the agenda. For example, we're going to 1. Review one client, 2. Do a focused practice on decision making, and 3. Looking next steps and documentation. Don't forget to clarify how this counts towards supervised unrestricted hours. What to expect from the trainee? Shares any quick updates that impacts today's focus and confirms the goal. Guys, I'm running out of time. Follow for part 7 to know the actual core work.